Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohammed Ghanima, General Manager of Mercedes-Benz of Orland Park. I want to personally invite you to visit us for your next luxury car or SUV. We also sell Sprinter vans for commercial or recreational use. Mercedes-Benz of Orland Park is part of the Fields Auto Group. For over 50 years, Fields Auto Group has been America's premier family luxury auto dealer. And for your convenience, نحكي عربي or إنجليزي, whatever you prefer, and we understand all of your needs. We have the Mercedes-Benz you want in stock and ready for delivery. And when you buy or lease from Mercedes-Benz of Orland Park, you become a member of the Fields Amenities program with complimentary loaners, car washes, pickup and delivery, and much, much more. Mercedes-Benz of Orland Park is conveniently located on 159th Street in Orland Park. So stop by today and ask for me, Mohammed Ghanima, and enjoy the most memorable luxury car buying experience in the Chicagoland area. Thank you, and inshallah, I'll see you soon.